So hello everyone, this is Nitish Kumar Palai. So today we will discuss about parallelogram. So basically in our last class we know that what are parallelogram. When the opposite sides of a quadrilateral becomes parallel, then it becomes parallelogram. So right now we will study about the one more property of parallelogram, that is in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So basically this is a theorem of your class. So we will prove it, because when we are proving anything in this universe, we prove with it with another true fact that we know or knew before, or that we consider as truth. So with this rule we will prove the opposite sides of a parallelogram will be equal. So what is the property that we know before? That is, in parallelogram, opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel. So we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. And with this property, we will prove that the opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So here is your questions. Parallelogram A, B, C, D. As you know, it is a parallelogram. Then you already know that in this parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, because it is considered as truth. Okay. So remember always that when you are proving anything, then you have to take one data or one property as truth. With that truth, we will prove the next truth. Okay. So this is actually your theorem. That is given A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. So till now you only know that in the case of parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Okay. So with this we will prove AB equal to CD and AB equal to BC. We have to prove AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. So right now we already know about the congruency of triangle and the properties of congruency of triangle. So here we will make a diagonal AC. So here we construct. In construction we will write, draw AC diagonal. Then we will prove it. Okay, look. Here in the parallelogram, ABC and ADC are two triangles. So if we make congruence of these two triangles, then we can write AB equal to CD and AB equal to BC. But how can we write that these two triangles are congruent? For this we have to know the properties of congruency of the triangles. There are different types of properties for congruating two triangles. That means if there is three sides of triangles are equal to another three sides of another triangle, then it becomes congruent. Two triangles become congruent. And also if two angles and their including sides are equal, then angle side angle property, according to angle side angle property, we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. And also we can prove if there is one angle and its adjacent two sides are equal, then we can also prove so that these two triangles become congruent. So there is various properties. So here we have to look which property is suitable for congruating these two triangles. So here we can look that AB and CD are parallel, as it is a parallelogram. So AB and CD is parallel, then AC is a transversal, then this angle and this angle will become what? Alternate interior angle. And as these two are parallel, then these two angles become equal, because you know, if two parallel lines are there and a transversal is crossing to them, then their alternate angles are equal. And in same case, if AD and BC are parallel, then this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? Because this AC is the transversal and these two are parallel lines, then these two angles are alternate interior. Just rotate it, you can understand easily. Okay, so we have to write now here AB parallel to CD and AC is the transversal. AC is transversal. That implies BAC angle equal to your ACD angle due to alternate interior. Similarly, we can write AD parallel to BC and AC transversal and BAC equals to ACB due to what? Alternate interior angle. Okay, right now we can write in triangle ABC and in triangle ABC and in triangle ADC angle ABC का BAC angle equals to ACB and your ABC का BCA. Look here, first we are writing ABC triangle, so in this side we have to write the angles or side whatever it may be of ABC. Okay, so here ABC का ACB angle equals to ADC का which angle? CAD. Okay, and AC is common. So according to this, we can write this is your angle and this is your side and this is your angle. Here also this is your angle, this is your side and this is your angle. So according to angle, side and angle, these two triangles will be congruent. ABC congruent to triangle ABC according to angle, side and angle property. As these two triangles are congruent, we can say that their corresponding parts will be congruent or equal. So here, which are the congruent part? That is your main thing. Okay, which are the congruent part? Because this angle equal to this angle, then opposite side of this angle, which is CD, equal to the opposite side of the similar angle, that is your AD. Same angle. DAC का same angle ACB. So DAC का opposite ACD and your ACB का opposite AB. So CD will be equal to AB. So right now we can write AB equals to CD, corresponding part of congruence triangle CPCT, and also your BAC, opposite angle of BC, and also the same angle of BAC is your ACD and the opposite side of ACD is your AD. Therefore AD and BC are equal. So we can write BC equals to AD, CPCT, and we need it, and we have to prove also that. To prove AB parallel, sorry, here we are write that AB parallel to CD and AD. It is not. Here we have to write AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. It has a mistake also. So look, we have to prove this AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Okay, from the beginning you are looking this one and it's make you confusing. So just be clear that here AB parallel CD is already given, because he is saying that ABCD is a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, from the beginning you know that AB and CD are parallel and AD and BC are parallel. It is given as he is saying that it is a parallelogram. So after that we have to prove AB and CD are equal. So after that we have to prove AB and CD are equal and AD and BC are equal, means opposite sides will be equal. So this is the proof. What do we do? that ABCD is a parallelogram, we construct a diagonal AC and then we congruent simply these two triangles. Therefore, your AB and CD and BC and AD become equal with corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So, we will write proved. Okay, thank you all of you to watching me.